this episode, and I think whenever we go to colleges, whenever we look for these schools, we always wanted to know from student side, right? So video to start करने से पहले, as we were discussing, you're from Odisha, and I have this pattern, right? कि तुम जो बोलोगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलोगे.
Yes ma'am, मैं जो बोलूँगा सच बोलूँगा, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा.
Okay,
for sure.
So I think you're in first year.
Yes,
I'm not wrong, right? How is your experience? जब भी हम कोई कॉलेज को देख रहे होते हैं, हम बहुत सारे aspirations लेके आते हैं, and then when we join college, वो expectation versus reality कैसी है?
Okay, so to be honest, the expectation versus reality thing was a big thing. So basically, when I decided initially to come back from Odisha to Jaipur, it was
That's
a big
also
step. Yes.
that's also Odisha to Jaipur, yeah.
Yeah, that was a big thing for me. But initially, when I came in, everybody was like very supportive to me. Even the faculty, even Kishore sir, Anuradha ma'am, the directors of the college, they met me personally. My parents, they sorted out everything for me. Like the hostels were good. To be honest, the hostels were good. The college was fine. Like for the start, we get to do this crazy games. Like we have to eat fire balls of cotton. They told us to blindfold us and trust your teammates and jump off a table. And these things melted the ice, to be honest.
But whenever we look for these schools, we always look the other side. We wanted to look at the placements, right? So, obviously, you haven't experienced it, but you might have interacted with your seniors on this. So, what do you want to say? Like, what is the average faculty report?
So, basically, as far as I have seen, the average package has been quite good. It's around 8 to 11. Right now. So the seniors, almost everyone has already gone into their jobs. Actually, recently I got to know that some seniors got placement in Accenture. I think 4 seniors. Just last year they got placement. I don't know the packages and all. And absolutely, like I've also experienced the internships from the college. I got an internship at Gurgaon at WeChat Consultancy. It was a finance internship, and it was quite good.
One good thing and a bad thing you feel about your college?
One good thing and a bad thing. The good thing about the college, I must say that the practical exposure is quite good in this college. Like you get to know what corporate feels like. To be honest, like 9 to 9, they have a very strict curriculum to follow that 9 to 9 rule. That is a very good thing about this college. Like you get a practical exposure. And bad side of the college, I think, to be honest,
there can be something, I can sense your expression.
No, not like that. The thing is that it is not.
Whatever you feel like it needs to be improved.
Yeah, the needs to be improved can be the infrastructure. It could be better. That can obviously support like some sports complex or something like that can help.
I also have this question. We were discussing that you was into this you was an entrepreneur, and at COVID, you was not able to face that phase, and then you decided to come for your engineering. So, what do you think? I mean, after there in the industry, starting something of your own, why MBA or PGDM is important?
Okay, so when I went into entrepreneurship, so the biggest issue I felt was like the financial aspect, the funding aspect. The investors were not cooperative with us because I didn't know how to make the things quite good. So I thought that PGDM, a diploma course that is 2 years, and even in 2 years there are 9 months of internship that can help me throughout. Like I can get a practical exposure that will help my own startup and my own entrepreneurship journey.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.